Hello guys, ngayon pala gumawa ako ngayon ng user registration. So, sige, explain natin step by step. So, dito nga tayo sa password validation function. So, first, nag-create ako ng function na that check if the password is strong enough by making sure it has 8 characters. Okay, 8 characters and one uppercase, one lowercase letter, and one number or and one special character. So dito naman tayo sa sa user registration. So next, the program asks the user to enter their name, user type, and user before moving on to the password creation. So dito yon, okay? Ayan, your name, your type, your username. So dito naman tayo sa attempts. So password attempts, the user is given up to 3 attempts. Okay? So ayun nga, pag nagkamali ka, edi mag-error yung code. Okay? Tatlong beses, pag nagkamali ka tatlong beses, mag-error na yung code. So, syempre, ito tayo sa result. Ito yung result. So, yung result natin, as shown in the output, after 3 failed password attempts, the program stops the process and display a message saying the maximum number of attempts has been exceeded. Okay? So, proving that the validation and limit system work correctly. Okay? So, pag naglagay tayo ng, kunwari, pangalan ko. Okay? Mark. Mark, capital M, Mark. Okay? Capital M, Mark. User type, mail. Username, Mark05. So, pag nag-enter tayo ng password natin, kailangan talaga mahaba. Okay? Like, kunwari, Mark, capital M, Mark, lowercase na ARK, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then question mark. Ayun. Ayun, doon na tatama ang password natin. And ayun lang.